Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle and welcome to another video where I'll be solving Java program from Coding Guide website. So today's problem is mix star. So let's see what it says. Return true if the given string begins with mix, except the m can be anything. So pix, 9x, all count means we have to see that from the second character it should be ix and first character could be anything, and after the ix there could be any string or anything which could possibly there or which the user wants to be there. So let's start with it. So we'll first check the string length. If we know the string length, and the string length, if the string will be more than equals to 3, that means you have to first check that the string should be more than of 3 characters. That means it could be possible that someone might give any 2 character words like off, in, but we don't want to see those will return false. But if there will be 3 word with 3 character or more, then we will check if it matches the condition. So the second condition will be we will take the substring out of it, that will be from the second character. I have told you before that in string the first character is always starts with 0. The index of or the position of first character starts with 0 and the second character is 1. So from the first character and before the third character or fourth character, we will say precisely, we will take the substring and we will check it equals ix. That is, we are checking if this substring that we have taken out is equal to the string ix. So if that's true and the string length is more than equals to 3, then it will return true or else false. So let's see. You can see we have successfully run the program and our program is correct. And see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.